Hey guys, what's happening? How to create a class on Google Classroom on a computer. So first of all, what you need to do, log in with your account. You're gonna see a plus icon at the top right, press it. You're gonna be presented with two options: to join class or create a class. So in our case, we wanna create a class, right? And make sure you read the policy on privacy. Hit continue into the class name, section, subject, and room. Let's say XXX, section math, okay, subject, let's say RRR, okay, in the room 3, room 4, or you can just name the room. And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna just hit create. As simple as that. You just created a new class, and you can share the class via link, or you can just invite them to your with using their email. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.